Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix messenger notification not working in Moto G77. First of all, restart the device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open setting, scroll down, click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb, and if you want to turn off do not disturb, then click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, do not disturb will be turn off from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off notification. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, select app that you want to turn off notification. After selecting app, click on notification and turn off this button. After turning off this button, this app notification will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, update messenger. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search messenger app. Now click on messenger, scroll down, click on app details, and now click on update. After click on update, your phone messenger will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear messenger cache. Again open setting, scroll down, again click on apps, again search messenger app. Now click on messenger, scroll down, click on storage, add cache, and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messenger will be clear cache from your phone. This is how you can fix messenger notification not working in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.